ইংরেজি বক্তব্যটি শোনাবো। Allah is single, He has no partner. Allah is our creator. Allah is creator of the heavens and earth. Allah is creator of all things. Allah is all powerful. Allah did not beget it, nor is Allah begotten, nor is equal to Allah. Allah is almighty. Allah is merciful. Allah is kind to us. Allah is always with us. Allah is our Ma'bud. There is no Ma'bud except Allah. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is the prophet of Allah. He is the last prophet. There is no prophet after him. We are his followers. It is the religion of peace. Islam is our religion. The Holy Quran is our complete code of life. It is the secret to us. The Quran